When you're running out of luck, need to get unstuck, so go off. When you're up against the wall and you cannot fall, so go off, go off.